Hi, I'm back. I'm going to demonstrate on how to use my Lumispa. This here is the Lumispa. The base, it's right here. I set it basically over here on the counter so that it can sit right here. Let me see if I can spin this around. I can't spin it around. But it's close to the plug-in if I need to have it plugged in. I just recently charged it, so I'm not needing to charge that up again. So I wanted to show you on how to do this. So I'm going to put this right here. This is the head, the attachment, and it easily just clips right on. And I use it with the Lumispa treatment cleanser. I use the normal oily, the normal combo. There is for all skin types available for that. But I don't really have the spritzer from New Skin, but this is basically a water bottle. Just getting my face wet and prepped. And it's just a 2-minute process. It is the #1 in the world best cleansing device for the last 4 years in a row. And when I turn this on, you're going to start in quadrants of your face. So I'm going to work on this side. I'll move to the T-zone in this area only, move to this side, and then I'll move at the top. And I know when to move it because it'll make a silly, funny sound. And sometimes it makes a funny sound when I'm probably using it too rough or too fast, but I know the difference between that sound versus the time it's time to move on. But I have my cleansing gel in there. I'm going to just kind of wipe it on my face real quick so that it's evenly dispersed. And now I'm going to turn it on. And I work around the eyes. It helps even out my skin tone, my texture of my skin. And the cleansing is incredible. I honestly didn't believe in such devices in myself until I got this and used it and was astonished. And I don't use makeup very often at all, but I was astonished. Do you hear that noise? Time to move on. Seriously astonished and amazed at how much excess dirt, oil, impurities of my skin it pulled off, and it's visible on my on the pad, so you can see. It's actually relaxing, and I can see why they call it a spa, a Lumispa, because it does kind of feel like a massaging spa kind of treatment. And if you saw my video before with using the glacial marine mud, I showed that my face is sensitive and it tends to get red easily and quickly, and it goes away quick. But that's why my face is getting red right now, because it's just the sensitivity of touching. So it's almost done. And I tend to use this more at night before I go to sleep, but I'm only doing this right now after my shower, so because I plan to do a bunch of videos today. And just like that, it's done. And I want to show you this. I'm not sure if you can see this, but can you see the color of the impurities that I pulled off my face? So I had, not only did I wash my face with the 180 face wash in the shower with the vitamin C, and did the marine mask to help pull even more impurities out, I still was able to get dead skin cells, impurities, disgustingness, gross, disgusting. But anyways, I'm so glad I have it. It's been one of my favorite devices for beauty products, and I'm not typically a beauty product person, but this is amazing. And I did get my mom one for Mother's Day, and she absolutely loves it as well. So if any of you are interested, drop a line in the comments below and reach out. It's an amazing product. It does help lift and shine, and my whole skin tone is a whole different experience now that I have this. But stay tuned for another video on another product. Bye. Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry, I'm gonna edit these videos put together, but I forgot to tell you, after I was done using the Lumi, I just get a washcloth and gently wipe the cleansing cream off my face, and then I'll pat it dry. And nice, warm, helps open my pores. And my towel, and I will pat it dry. And that's it.